Hi guys, welcome to Stack Reframe. So in the previous video, we have seen three important tags, that was heading, paragraph and anchor tag, isn't it? So in today's video, we are going to see how to embed an image on a web page using img tag, and also what is the use of figure tag to place an image on a web page. Okay, so we are going to see two important tags, that is img tag and figure tag. Also guys, I'm going to place all the videos in this playlist only. So I suggest you to bookmark this page and also subscribe my channel. Okay. Now, without any delay, let's get started. So I'm opening my VS Code here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a file, new file here. Let's say images.html. Okay. I'll just use my boilerplate and I will write here images in web page. Anything I can write here. This is the title. Now first tag I'm going to discuss about is img tag, isn't it? So what img tag does is, this is a html tag that is used to embed an image on a web page. Okay, now what is the syntax of img tag is, if you write here img and hit enter, it will, the syntax will come in VS Code. Okay, so here you see img is a tag, src, that means source. Okay, src denotes the source, the path of the image that you are going to place. Here you will write path of the image, and you can use from directly from the internet also. You can copy the image address internet, or you can save the image in your local computer, and you can use, and you can directly give the path here. Okay, so both will work here. Okay, now this is alt. This is also the attribute of image. Okay, so what alt means? Alternate. Here we are going to write alternate text. Okay, here we are going to write alternate text. Okay, about the image. What alternate text does is, by any means, if your image do not get loads to your web page due to some error, so you will get a broken image along with alternate text that you have provided, so that the user should know what sort of image you have placed in your web page. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just comment this and I'll write here, this is the syntax. Okay, now let us take an example here. What I'll do is I will write here img src is equal to, I am going to place one path, one image from my local folder, local computer. Okay, so if you are using your image from your local computer, make sure you paste your image in this folder. Okay, so let's say I have pasted here in the asset folder. I have created a folder and I have put one image here. Okay, so to access this, I will write the source path here. I'll give this asset and png. So now my path is loaded here for the particular image. Now I will write here alternate text. I will write logo. This is, I'll say I will write computer image. Okay, now I'll just go live and make you see. You see the image is loaded, isn't it? So this is how we place an image on the web page using img tag. Now let's say by any means you placed a wrong path here. Then what happens? Let's say I write something here. Now this path is wrong now. So let's see how's the output looking. You see there is a broken image, and here your alternate text that you have written, you see alternate text you have written computer image, so that is loading here, computer image, so that when any user comes to your web page and due to any issue if your image do not get load, the user should know that this particular image belongs to a computer image, isn't it? That is why alternate text we use, and it is very important, isn't it? Now if your image is path is fine, then only the image will get loaded in your web page, and alternate text will not be seen here, you see. Okay, now this is one way of using image, isn't it? By setting a path from your local computer, isn't it? Now let's say you have to use any sort of image from internet, then how you are going to use it? Let's say I'm going to here, I'm going to Google. Let's say I have to use this particular image. Okay, so what I will do is I will just right click here, and I will use this copy image address. Okay, I'll just copy this and I'll go back to my code, and what I will do is, let's say I'm going to use another src here. I will just paste this particular link here. Okay, and I will write here alternate text also, Google image. Okay, now you see, if I go here in my page, where is the page? Here. So you see the image is loading here, isn't it? Now by any means, if you copied wrong path, any wrong path you give, what happens? You will get an image, broken image, along with the alternate text that you have pasted here, isn't it? So this is how we use image tag. Okay, I think now you will get the output. Okay, fine. Now this was all about the image img tag. Okay, now let's move into the next tag, that is figure tag. What is figure tag? See, figure tag is also going to do the same. Okay, but when we should use figure tag in uh, we'll use figure tag when we have to place a caption along with image. Okay, so in that case figure tag is going to help us. Okay, let us see one example so that you get a clear idea about it. What I'll do is I'll just open a figure tag here. Inside this particular figure tag, I'm going to use img tag. Okay, let's say I'll just use the same Google image, and I'll again write here in the alternate text Google image. Okay, now you see the image is coming, isn't it? Now if you have to write something, if you have to write a caption along with the image, what you will do is, inside this figure tag, after this placing an image, we'll go for a tag called fig caption. After that, if I write here, this is a Google image. Okay, now you go back and see, you are getting a caption along with the image, isn't it? So that is why we use figure tag in the web page. By any mean, if you have to insert an image, along with you have to write any caption of that image, you are going to use figure tag, and in the figure tag you will place one image, and along with that you will take tag fig caption, and you will write whatever the fig caption that you want to write here. Okay, one thing to note, that if you do not use any image here, img tag here, you cannot use fig caption. Okay, that is all about the figure tag. Okay, now if you give wrong address here, what happens? You will get a broken image along with alternate text also, but also you will get this fig caption, the caption that you have pasted. Okay, so I will conclude by saying that if you have to use only the image in your web page, go for img tag only. Or if you have to use an image along with caption, go for figure tag. Here you will use image also and a caption along with image also. Okay, so I hope by looking to this video you are clear about what is img tag and figure tag. Okay, and what is the difference between using only img tag and figure tag. So that's it for now, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.